had bad dreams too many times to think that they don't mean much anymore. 5 times have gone, left my sad home. Friends who once cared just walk out my door. Love has no pride when I call out your name. Love has no pride when there's no one left to blame. I'd give anything to see you again. I've been alone too many nights to think that you could come back again. And I've heard you talk, she's crazy to stay, but this love hurts me so. I don't care what you say. Love has no pride when I call out your name. Love has no pride when there's no one left to blame. I'd give anything to see you again. If I could buy your love, I'd truly try my friend. And if I could pray, my prayer would never end. But if you want me to beg, I'd fall down on my knees, asking you to come back. I'd be pleading for you to come back, begging for you to come back to me. Love has no pride till you call out your name. Love has no pride when there's no one but myself to blame. Anything to see you again. I'd give anything to see you again. Well, howdy there, pluckers. I've a sore fingers back with you again for hopefully what will be another interesting lesson for you. This one's from a lovely lady called Bonnie Raitt, from her album called Give It Up, which came out in 1972, I believe. So I'm in standard tuning, capoed at the 2nd fret. We're playing it in the key of A, which is the same key that Bonnie Raitt plays this song in and recorded the song in, okay? And she plays it with the capo on the 2nd fret as well, okay? So hopefully you enjoyed that, and you'll join me in a couple of days when I will attempt to break it down and show you how I played it. Not too difficult, this one. There's not too many bar chords in it or anything like that. It's mainly open chords. So see you then. Bye for now.